Ganyan kalinis ang tubig, guys. Crystal clear. White Sand Beach. Linis. Grabe, ang ganda. Good morning, guys. Andito kami ngayon sa St. Pete Beach sa St. Petersburg, Florida. Dito kami magbe-breakfast ngayon sa La Cosa. La Cosa?
I don't know.
Sa La Cosa French restaurant. Breakfast. Open na sila. Time check.
No.
Time check 8:15 a.m. Let's go. So ito ang La Cosa French restaurant. Yan yung mga awards nila 2024, 5, 6 Best Restaurants in Tampa Bay. Open sila daily 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. La Cosa. Since 1989. Breakfast and lunch. So meron silang indoor seating tsaka outside. Malamig sa loob yung aircon. So dito kami sa labas. Hindi naman mainit. Yeah, rush man. So yan yung interior. Lamig ng aircon. Tapos meron pa dito. Malaki din. So meron din silang merch. St. Pete Beach t-shirt. So, umorder kami ng brewed coffee. Mag-aantay pa kami ng food. Yan ang St. Petersburg, Florida. St. Pete Beach. Dito, beach area na yan. Gulf of America. Ang dami ring bikers. So ito na yung mga order namin. Sa akin is, as usual, salmon benedict. Smoked salmon, may capers, may eggs benedict, may potatoes. And then yung kay Jam, salmon omelette. May croissant din on the sides. Yan. Let's eat. Break natin to. Oh. Sa'yo, honey.
Ay, ano lang to? This is just plain croissant.
Yan, salmon
May cheese.
omelette.
You say we had a bad romance, but baby you keep stealing dances, keep cutting in like you own.
Dito tayo ngayon sa St. Pete Beach, St. Petersburg, Florida. Time check 9:12 AM. Punta tayo ng beachfront. So magmula sa pinarkingan namin 10 miles away, binike namin siya ng 1 hour. Nag-park kami sa isang park palayo. So dito tayo, Sunset Park sa St. Pete Beach. Check natin. Isang portion lang to sa mahabang beachfront. Ayan, may mga nagfi-fishing. Daming fisher. Baka mga fish hook injury pa tayo dyan. Alis na tayo dito. Wala, mga nagfi-fishing lang dito. Punta tayo sa isang portion pa ng St. Pete Beach. Ano, gusto mo ba mag-coffee dyan? So, bili muna kami ng coffee bago tayo pumunta ng beach. Dito kami sa Grove Surf plus Coffee. Pinak naman yung bike dyan, nakalock. Ayan, Grove Surf and Coffee. Hours 8 to 5. 7 days a week. So yan, merong mga apparels na binibenta, mga beachwears. Tapos yung cafe, ayan yung line. Si Jam nakapila. May exit dun sa kabila. Tapos shaded.
Shaded, okay.
Hindi mainit. Ayan, may mga glasses, sunglasses. Ang haba ng pila. Yan yung kanilang menu. Cold brew tea, specialty drink. So ito yung kanilang mga pastries. Croissant. Key lime pie muffin. Crochet.
Cute! Yeah.
Magkano? May price?
$36.
Wow. Pero mahirap kasi parang ano yun, no? Handmade.
Handmade.
Okay lang, 36. Mahal kung sa mahal. So ito yung binili namin. Orange vanilla, tsaka
Orange vanilla, cinnamon.
cinnamon latte. Yan. Grove Coffee. Dito tayo sa mga side streets, back roads. Punta ng beachfront. May yard sale, yard sale. TV, cabinet, golf equipments. Dito na yun, honey. Uy, may bike lane. Nice. Ang init. Dito na tayo. Pinellas County Beach Access Park, St. Pete Beach. Pinark lang namin yung bike namin dyan. Let's go, mainitan. St. Pete Beach. Parang pangatlong beses pa lang namin nakakapunta dito. No? Three times. Yan. Beach access. Parang mainit, honey.
Yeah, you don't like?
Tignan lang.
Yeah.
Tapos balik agad.
Yeah, but you have to buy 10 miles away.
Yeah. That's the beach.
12 miles pa. Ito sa likod mo.
Oo nga eh.
Huwag yun, babe.
Ayan, may mga cabanas, umbrellas for rent. $45. Additional $10 for one chair. Yan yung mga hotels. Malayo pa. Ito pa. Medyo compare sa Clearwater, mas malayo yung beach, yung dagat sa mga hotel. Pero walkable pa rin. Yan. Walang mga lifeguard. Walang lifeguard, honey, no? Yun lang, walang lifeguard dito. Sa Clearwater may lifeguard eh. Ayan. Ayan ang St. Pete Beach, Gulf of America. Ganda ng alon, payapa. Ganda, sarap sana magligo. Hihi. Kaso hindi tayo naka-beach attire ngayon eh. Ganyan kalinis ang tubig, guys. Crystal clear. White Sand Beach. Linis. Grabe, ang ganda. Maalon pero payapa. Ganda ni. Sarap maligo sana. Yan. Kami lang ang naka biking attire. Lahat mga naka two-piece, naka board shorts. Okay. Babalik pa kami, 10 miles, 1 hour bike. Papalayo. Ganda ng tubig. Yan ang mga alon.
You say we had a bad romance, but baby you keep stealing dances. You keep cutting in like you own me, then suddenly throw me away. You say we never had a chance, but you keep throwing me these glances, looking like you want me right now, but just like lightning you're gone. Yeah, you're gone. You're waiting around to go out with somebody. Anyone but me. You act like you want me, then suddenly drop me. For anyone but me. Anyone but me. Oh, you say that we were doomed to fail, but you still ask me what's the room I stay in. If I didn't know any better, I'd probably give you my plastic key card. You're waiting around to go out with somebody. Anyone but me. You act like you want me, then suddenly drop me. For anyone, I've thought about giving up, but then you show up and tell me that you've been confused and that you're sorry for hurting me. Then you change your mind back again. You're waiting around to go out with somebody. Anyone but me. You act like you want me, then suddenly drop me. Yeah, you drop me, yeah. You're waiting around to go out with somebody. Anyone but me. You act like you want me, then suddenly drop me. For anyone but me. For anyone but me. Oh. Anyone but me. For anyone but me.
Skyway Trail. 10 minutes. $1.7 miles. $10:57 AM. Mag-aalas 11 ng umaga. Morning. Thank you Lord for another day. Another bike ride in the sun. Beautiful day as always. Florida. This is called Skyway Trail. Skyway Trail, St. Pete. Yan, dito tayo nag-umpisa kanina. Child's Park, St. Petersburg. 1 hour bike ride, 10 miles. Ayan, may playground, may swimming pool, may recreation and fitness center, may pickleball court, may tennis court, may picnic area. Dapat may CR din dito eh. CR tayo. Ayan. Picnic tables, shaded. Pickleball. And tennis court. Use positive language, use common courtesy, talk quietly, walk always, respect yourself and others, think positive, avoid threatening other participants, take care of your center and park, place bikes in bike rack, refrain yourself from gambling. Nice. Mas dito rin sa Amerika may ganyan. Mga libro. Pwedeng kumuha, babalik mo rin. Child's Park, Recreation Center and Fitness Center. Safe naman. Kala ko shady and sketchy dito. Well, maraming nagsasabi, mga kawork ko, na tumira dati sa St. Petersburg. Pero, you know, street by street naman, iba-iba naman ang kalagayan ng neighborhood. Yan, may nagpa-practice ng football, nagtitraining. Dito naman sa kabila, basketball court. May nagtitraining din. Yan. Parking.
Keep stealing dances, keep cutting in like you own me, then suddenly throw me away. You say we never to fail, but you still ask me what's the room I stay in. If I didn't know any better, I'd probably give you my plastic key card.